Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Konkanilearning. Today we are going to learn some short phrases that we use frequently in our day-to-day life. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and press the bell icon to get notified about my all the videos and learn Konkani with me easily. So let's start. Daily use short phrases. Look in front. आगे देखो. In Konkani we say मुखार पळे. मुखार पळे. Mukhar means in front. Palai means look. Look behind. पीछे देखो. In Konkani we say फाटल्यान पळय. फाटल्यान पळय. फाटल्यान means behind. Look inside. अंदर देखो. भितर पळय. भितर पळय. भितर means inside. Look outside. बाहर देखो. भायर पळय. भायर पळय. भायर means outside. Keep it here. इसे यहाँ रखो. तें हांगा दवर. तें हांगा दवर. हांगा means here. दवर means keep. Keep it there. इसे वहाँ रखो. तें थंय दवर. तें थंय दवर. थंय means there. दवर means keep. Keep it down. इसे नीचे रखो. तें सकयल दवर. तें सकयल दवर. सकयल means down. दवर means keep. I am leaving. मैं निकल रहा हूँ. मैं निकल रही हूँ. हांव भायर सरता. हांव भायर सरता. हांव means I. भायर सरता means leaving. I am about to leave. मैं अभी जाने वाली हूँ. If you are a girl, then in Konkani you must say हांव भायर सरपाचें आसा. मैं अभी जाने वाला हूँ. If you are a boy, then in Konkani you must say हांव भायर सरपाचो आसा. हांव भायर सरपाचें वा सरपाचो आसा. हांव means I. भायर सरपाचें means about to leave. भायर सरपाचो means about to leave. He or she is about to come. वह आने वाला है. वह आने वाली है. In Konkani, suppose a boy is about to come, then we say तो येवपाचो आसा. तो येवपाचो आसा. In Konkani, we say if a girl is about to come, then we say तें येवपाचें आसा. तें येवपाचें आसा. If a lady is about to come, then we say ती येवपाची आसा. ती येवपाची आसा. Come at least once. कम से कम एक बार आओ. In Konkani we say एक दीस तरी यो. एक दीस तरी यो. May I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? वाह, क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? In Konkani we say हांव भितर येवूं. हांव भितर येवूं. हांव means I. भितर means inside. येवूं means to come. Come with us. हमारे साथ आओ. In Konkani we say आमच्या वांगडा यो. आमच्या वांगडा यो. See you tomorrow. कल मिलते हैं. In Konkani we say फाल्या मेळया. फाल्या मेळया. फाल्या means tomorrow. Are you coming with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? वाह, क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रही हो? In Konkani we ask तू म्हज्या वांगडा येता? तू म्हज्या वांगडा येता? So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you.